Are we really going to lead with this Babco Solar? It's a hustle, Brett, and I passed it on twice within the last 2 years. Basically, they spin a sexy story with these super thin cadmium telluride semiconductors, but the truth is the technology's not proprietary.
We've been over this, Brett.
On the same chips.
You are unbelievable.
Babco is a cow. It's dead in the water. The Chinese aren't stupid. They're not going to go for it.
Yeah, cash cow, maybe. They've been saying that fusion is 5 years away for the last 40 years.
It is. Laser fusion is the future.
Oh, can you prove that, boy genius?
Can you prove evolution, girl genius? That seems to work, though, right?
Look, knock it off, both of you. Okay, these guys are parking $15 billion across the board in energy sectors, and I want them here. Okay? Carol's taking the lead on this. I'll recommend this Babco. That's final.
Go ahead. I'll take you to dinner some other time.
Oh, eat me more.
Babco is at the forefront of developing thin film technology to incorporate solar cells into pliable plastic sheets. We believe that within the next few years, we can approach the 20% level, making it a perfect match for the explosion of growth in energy needs, which, as you know, is growing at 40%. Thin film technology is the breakthrough here. And in 2010, thin film is going to surpass crystalline silicon. That's about it.
Go ahead.
So, with the world energy demand growing 40% in the next 20 years, we at Church believe, Mr. Shi, that Babco Solar is a cutting-edge no-brainer. Good for a 20% return in the next 2 years, with a 30 to 40% upside in the next 5 years.
Thank you, Miss Carol. Solar will make an important part of our portfolio. But truthfully, we have seen similar technology from another firm. As you know, China's demand will more than double before my daughter turns 21. So we are looking for the next 100 years, where even my grandson can spend money.
Do you have anything else to present to us today? We've come a long way.
Listen, Wang, now, we got a great new line in the shale oil technology. Let's just dig a lot deeper for a price that we think is a good one.
We'll have a complete workup for you by the end of the month.
All right, Brighton. That sounds promising.
What about fusion? We happen to be working with a company right now that's got all the hardware in place. Started by the Department of Energy. They share R&D facilities with the University of California. It's got a market cap right now of about $1 billion. No earnings.
Fusion has been around a long time.
How sure du amour? The simple of it is, it's using the intense energy of some 200 laser beams focused on a single target the size of a few grains of rice, filled with hydrogen fuel. So the idea being that when that target combusts, it produces more energy than it took in. All the tests they've done indicate that they could use this ignition process to turn simple seawater into energy. It's called ocean thermal energy conversion, using the reaction between hot water on the surface and cold water beneath to power the lasers. So what you wind up with is unlimited clean energy.
How do you contain the explosion?
That's a secret I can't really share with you right now, not to be secretive, but I could probably get you in there for a peek, maybe next week on your way back to Beijing from D.C. Mr. Wang, I got you something. This is American Baijiu. 我想你会喜欢.
Oh, thank you.
Miss Chung.